Welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this type of design. As you can see, you'll have been seeing some of these posters online where the head of the speaker will come out of the box. So this is how we create them. Quite simple and not looking simple from afar as I'm looking at it, but at the time we end this video, you are going to find it very interesting. So maybe you want to create a flyer and you have speakers you are inviting, you have maybe in the classroom also you want to create a picture of your students for your voucher wall, anything, you can use this method. So I'll be right back with all the steps to create this. Welcome back. So let's go to the scoreboard as we start our exploration immediately. So I'm not going to be using this page. I'm going to the home page, create design, and I'm using animated social media 800 by 800 pc. That is exactly the Instagram size, Instagram picture size. So we upload the image I'm using. This is the image I am going to be using. So the next thing, go to your elements and type there frames. That is where we are going to get the circle. So the next thing you are going to do after adding your frame, double click this or make 2 copies of this picture. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I have 2 copies of this. So the first one, I'm going to bring it inside the box. Just drag it in, it will come in immediately. Then this is how I want it to look like. Fine. So if you observe it very well now, it's not you can see the speaker's head is not actually showing because it is a circle. It is with this one that we are going to use to actually manipulate that. So let's go to effects, click on effect and click on background remover. Let's remove the background so that it's going to be transparent. Then after making it transparent, from there we are now going to start our magic. So let me see, you need to zoom in so that you can see what you are doing at this point, because you will need to, nope, something happened, control, that means I will have to remove the background again. Background remover once again. So you will have to be very careful while creating this. Let me centralize it. Okay, you will need to be hold it from top. If you drag it from here, it may go inside the box. So that is why I'm not dragging it from there anymore. So I'm going to make this bigger, and let me see whether it's size. Yes, it's size the other one. So this is how I'm going to go about it. I fit it back, then I trim. So this is the picture, frame, and unique way to introduce your speaker. This is very simple. If you did not actually get that step, watch the video again and again, and I'm 100% sure that this video will be of interest to you. So get ready, another day I'm going to be sending more content, and I'm 100% sure that you like this video. Thank you, bye.